Hey everybody, Jeremy Blanton with 210 Consulting, and wanted to do a quick tutorial today. Had a client who said, Jeremy, I got some friend requests and I clicked not now and I can't find them again. I thought they were all spam, but when I looked at it a little closer, I realized one of those is an actual person that I know. He was just going by his official name, not his nickname that we all call him. So how do I get back to him? I can't find him anymore. It's actually easier than you think. Up here at the top you have your friend request button, and if somebody sends you a request, it pops up here and has the little red icon on it. However, once you say not now or no, they disappear and there says then there's no new requests. Well, if you go into this same section all the way down here to the bottom and click on the see all, you're going to find all of the friend requests that have been made to you, and you can get back to them and accept any that you want. So I can come in here and look at this and see these are ones that I recently said no to. Let's just look at this gentleman here, Thomas Scott. Doesn't really look like somebody I know. Don't know that I need to connect with him, so I can just simply go back here to the list, hit delete request, and he's gone. I can scroll down through here and find other people and say, oh hey, look, yeah, here's somebody, she's a realtor. Yeah, I want to accept her, and accept her then. So that's how you find them. Simply go up here into your friend requests, then see all, and you'll see all of the requests that you've either accepted or denied that are not right now, and you can add from there. Hope that helps.